Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share 5 amazing home remedies with cinnamon for acne. Cinnamon is an aromatic spice that comes from the bark of trees. It has a distinctive sweet and pungent flavor and is used in both sweet and savory dishes all over the world. But did you know that this amazing spice can also be used to treat acne? Yes, it's true. Cinnamon contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which can help reduce redness, swelling, and pain associated with acne breakouts. In addition, it also has antifungal properties that can prevent the growth of fungus on your skin. Furthermore, cinnamon is rich in antioxidants that protect the body from free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which may contribute to acne formation. And finally, the compound cinnamaldehyde found in cinnamon has been shown to inhibit the activity of certain enzymes responsible for sebum production. Sebum is an oily substance produced by your body that can clog your pores and lead to acne if it becomes trapped under the skin surface. By reducing sebum production, cinnamon helps keep your skin clear of excess oiliness and clogged pores, which can improve the appearance of acne scars. But how exactly do you use cinnamon for these benefits? We will discuss 5 simple recipes below that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine to help fight against those pesky pimples. So without further ado, let's get started. Our first remedy is cinnamon honey mask. This is a very simple and effective way to use cinnamon for acne treatment. You will need 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Start by mixing them together until you have an even paste. Then apply the mixture to your face using a cotton swab and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. Honey has humectant properties, which means it will draw moisture from the deeper layers of your skin up to the surface. This process helps to keep your skin hydrated and nourished, while cinnamon provides its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. You can do this mask once a week or as often as your skin can tolerate it. Second, we have a homemade cinnamon scrub. A gentle exfoliating scrub can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, making it easier for topical treatments to penetrate the skin and work more effectively. To make this scrub, combine 1/4 cup of ground oatmeal with 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Add a few drops of water if needed to form a paste. Then massage this mixture onto your face in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, paying special attention to areas with larger pores and blemishes like the T-zone. Rinse off with lukewarm water and finish with a moisturizer suitable for acne-prone skin. The oatmeal in this recipe acts as a gentle exfoliant that won't overdry your skin, while cinnamon provides additional antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory benefits. Our third remedy is cinnamon tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is well known for its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce redness, swelling, and pain associated with acne breakouts. To use it, add 5 drops of tea tree oil to 1 tablespoon of raw honey and mix well. Then dip a cotton swab into the mixture and apply it directly to each pimple. Leave it on until the next morning, when you can rinse it off with cold water. You can also use this mixture as a spot treatment throughout the day as needed. Just be sure not to overapply or leave it on too long, as tea tree oil can be irritating or drying to the skin in high concentrations. If you find that your skin becomes overly dry or flaky after using this remedy, discontinue use immediately and consult with a healthcare professional. Moving on, we have a DIY cinnamon face wash. This is a great way to start your day, as it will help control excess oil production and reduce inflammation of acne. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon with 1 cup of warm water until fully dissolved. Let the mixture cool down before using it to wash your face. Be gentle but thorough in massaging your skin with the liquid to unclog pores and remove dirt and bacteria. Rinse with cold water and follow up with a moisturizer suitable for acne-prone skin. Alternatively, you can add a few drops of tea tree oil or other essential oils such as lavender or frankincense to the face wash for an added boost of antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory power. However, it is important not to use hot water when making this face wash, as high temperatures can cause the cinnamon's active ingredients like cinnamaldehyde to break down. This can reduce the effectiveness of the face wash against acne. Last but not least, we have a soothing cinnamon cream. This is an excellent remedy for calming irritated and inflamed acne scars, which are often left behind after pimples have healed. Combine 1 tablespoon of shea butter or coconut oil with 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon in a small bowl. Stir until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Apply the cream to your fingers and gently massage it into the affected areas until fully absorbed. Do this twice daily until the scars fade and disappear completely. The fatty acids in shea butter or coconut oil will help nourish and moisturize your skin, while cinnamon provides anti-inflammatory relief for any redness or puffiness caused by the acne scars. It is important to note that everyone's skin is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It is always a good idea to test a small amount of cinnamon on your arm or leg before applying it topically to your face. Additionally, cinnamon can cause allergic reactions in some people, so be sure to discontinue use and seek medical attention if you experience any adverse effects. Lastly, while these remedies can be helpful in treating acne, it's important not to rely solely on them for complete eradication of pimples. Consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment options. They may recommend a combination of lifestyle changes, topical creams, or oral medications depending on the severity and type of acne you have. And there you have it, 5 simple yet effective ways to use cinnamon for acne. From masks to scrubs and creams, there is no shortage of options when it comes to incorporating this powerful spice into your skincare routine. Remember that consistency is key, and it may take several weeks of regular use before you see any significant improvement in your skin. Don't be afraid to experiment with different recipes until you find what works best for you. And always test a small amount on your arm or leg first to ensure that you're not allergic. With patience and persistence, you may just find that nature's bounty has the answer to clearer, brighter looking skin. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. As always, thanks for watching.